Did you, comb your hair today? It looks different.
Welcome to Maths Comedy Briefs.
Hey, Peaches, have you noticed the price of airplane tickets keeps getting higher and higher?
The price never seems to go down, that's for sure.
Do you know why them airplane tickets are so expensive?
Oh, I suppose it's because everyone is traveling this week.
Nope, it's 'cause donuts taste good. You think they taste good, don't you? I love my happy wife. Her name is, Life's just so funny. And I'd like to take a trip. That is you all the way.
And the price is just blah, blah, blah. Okay.
Are you done with your pen?
Yeah.
Who wrote this thing anyway?